Hello friends, I'm Kamaljeet Bhasin. I've been associated with Oriflame since last 22 years. The fact about this opportunity that it is meant for one and for all and not bounded by the territories is something which I love the most. How do we present this Oriflame opportunity in the right manner is the topic for our video today. We really need to understand what this opportunity is and why one should join Oriflame. And it's always easy to start with this fantastic fact about looking great, like how we can look great with the fantastic product portfolio, how we can make a lot of money with fantastic success plan, and how we can have loads of fun by building a community and by traveling with Oriflame as well. We can work with this opportunity offline or online. Means if we really want to build a business from the comfort of our home, we can do that as well. It's very important to present the scope of the company because Oriflame offers you a life-changing opportunity where we make money today and we fulfill our dreams tomorrow. And when we have to prove this, it's very important to share some life stories of your team members. For example, here is a life story of a fellow leader where she is sharing her story of Oriflame.
I'm Dr. Nandini Kishan, a physiotherapist professionally and also a brand partner with Oriflame. So why were you interested in the Oriflame opportunity? So I was looking for some good quality skincare products since I had really bad skin. And when I got to know about Oriflame's products which are progressive, which are ethically made, I decided then and there that this was the business opportunity that I wanted to be involved with. So why did you join? So I joined Oriflame because I truly believe in Oriflame products and the Oriflame values. Because Oriflame gives you a chance to a healthy lifestyle, beautiful skin and personal expression. Moreover, I had the chance to transform and empower thousands of women in my network.
This was one example of a life story from Oriflame. There can be many stories. It all depends what inspires you, what motivates you to work for your dreams. It can be earning that extra income for your children's tuition fees, for building a new furniture for your house and for renovating your house. It can be to travel around the world with your family absolutely free. It can be that you want to work with flexibility and spend quality time with your family. It could also be that you want to build an independent business without any bosses. And Oriflame gives you all: income, community, flexibility and travel in the world. So it depends on us to find out what inspires a person to work. Once we know the why of our prospect, it will be very easy for us to connect the why of the prospect to the Oriflame offerings. It's time to share the Oriflame opportunity with your prospect, and you should always start by talking about the company first. So while talking about the company, remember 5 points which you have to talk about Oriflame. Oriflame is a 50 years old company, has been in India since last 25 years. Globally, it is spread in 60 countries across the world. It has a brand image and believes in beauty by Sweden. It believes in human touch and relationships, and it believes in changing lives of the people for betterment. When you talk about these 5 points about Oriflame company, you add to the uniqueness of this fantastic company. Oriflame offers you holistic beauty and product range for the entire family. Oriflame products are inspired by nature and powered by science. Oriflame products are manufactured by strict European standards. Oriflame gives you 6 categories in the product portfolio: skincare, wellness, color cosmetics, fragrances, hair and body care and accessories. And the 5th and the most important point, don't forget to share your product experience, which will make a difference to this fantastic opportunity presentation. Using and experiencing the products is the first step towards 4 ways of making money with Oriflame. You use the products, you like the experience, you recommend the products to friends and people you know, and then you earn immediate profit out of that recommendation. After that, you invite your friends and known people to join you in the business, and then you start building your team and earning incentives on the team sales, because everybody is going to do the same as you did. And on leadership development, you start earning bonuses and cash awards. After talking about company, products, and how do we make money, it's very important to talk with your prospect that how do we have fun while building business. So it's very important for you to show to your prospect the pictures of your trainings, events, conferences, seminars, and even the pictures you are having fun with your teammates who are your friends as well. After knowing how to present the opportunity, the question comes where and when to present this opportunity. It can be done through L1s, where you are talking to your prospect 1:1, through L2, which manager is conducting twice a week, or through L3, which network leader is conducting once a week. Or you can share this opportunity in wellness and skincare sessions as well, where you or your leader is presenting the benefits of the product along with the benefits of Oriflame's success plan. Your focus should be on inviting as many guests as possible for such events. The question comes, where do I get these prospects and guests from? You can start creating your contact list or name bank by writing the names of the people you know in your diary or in the mobile office. You can always find new names every day for the people who are interested either to buy the products or wish to join the business opportunity. But don't forget to update your contact list every day with new names in it, because keep adding the new names in your contact list, keep asking for references so that your contact list will be a never-ending list and you will have lots of people to share the Oriflame opportunity with. You can expand your contact list by reaching out to new people through social media. If you have not created your social media presence as yet, do it right away. Share new posts every day and you will reach out to new people. You will get new prospects with whom you can share the invitation for the opportunity meeting, and you are going to recruit more people every day. While building your community, you will find that you will come across variety of people in your team who will have different motivation to work. They will have the different reasons for joining Oriflame. It's very important to build up a culture of sharing the success stories. Means, why did I join Oriflame? As the stories make your opportunity more authentic and real. Since you will have a variety of people in your team, so you'll have success story of a mother, of a professional, of a teacher, of a student, of a business person, and even couples as well. So while you are teaching your team to build their story and teaching them how to create their story, it's very important for you to help them focus on only 2 points. Why did they join Oriflame? What were they doing before Oriflame, and what have they achieved after joining Oriflame? It's okay in the beginning, if you're new in this business, you may not be having stories of the leaders with you since you are a newcomer in the company. But it's okay. You can always have people who must be inspired by joining this business. You may be having a newcomer who just earned a speed bonus. You may be having a new recruit who earned an entrepreneur bonus. Or you may be having a new person achieving a new title. You can always share their story. You can also talk about yourself. What were you before joining Oriflame? Why did you join Oriflame? What attracted you towards Oriflame? And what do you want to achieve with Oriflame? And your story is complete. You assure the prospect that they will get the best of the support from you on their journey with Oriflame. And you have to show them, you have to support them, you have to make them feel confident that you are the right person with whom they have joined, and you are going to help them fulfill their dreams. So what did you learn in this video today? You learned how to share the Oriflame opportunity with the key ingredients to be kept in mind. When and where to share the Oriflame opportunity. And you also learned how to share your own story and teach your team members how to share their story as well. So don't wait. Start inviting people right away.